Hey, this is a reply to Neff. I'm sorry that I have to use yours to piggyback, but I know Neff sees your videos. Hey Neff, how come all the other planets we've seen in the solar system orbit their stars? I mean, kind of a contradiction for our star to orbit our planet when the others orbit the star. Also, how come Mercury's always in front of the sun? Wouldn't the sun be in front of Mercury? You know, shouldn't Mercury pass behind the sun? But every time, Mercury goes in front of the sun. Same thing with Venus. I mean, just doesn't seem to make much sense, Neff. Maybe you can explain it to me. I mean, maybe I'm confused. Also, wouldn't we kind of burn with the irregular orbit that we'd have to be in? I mean, the planets and everything orbiting around us, that's quite a gravitational puzzle right there. I mean, you must have a lot of that dark matter in our solar system to keep the planets rotating in their ziggy-zaggy patterns. Tons of that dark matter that doesn't seem to exist in our universe unless it's created, and when it's created, I guess you accidentally name it antimatter. Neff. If you weren't so funny, I think I would actually ignore you, but you are hilarious. My son knows that the Earth goes around the sun, that the planets go around the sun, and that our sun goes around the galaxy. Yeah, 2 years old, smarter than you. He knows that all dogs come from wolves. Yeah, you know how he knows that? He's seen that 2 dogs of different breeds can create a puppy that's a third breed. Yeah, not evolution, mind you, but it does prove that animals change variety, which is the first step of natural selection. Something else you completely fail at. Yeah, you just aren't very bright, are you? And you know, a geocentric solar system actually negates the ability for a meteorite to hit the moon. And, well, the outer solar system anyway, to create the meteorite belt. Because, believe it or not, all those little water fragments would have got melted by the sun, because the sun has a much deeper gravitational well. Yeah, which, you know, that's quite an explanation to go there. Oh, in your Bible, the earth is supported by nothing. But evidently it is, or else it wouldn't be moving. You know, you are so many fails. You're like the fourth flavor of fail. There is ignorant fail. There is not listening fail. There is I'm smarter than you fail. And there is Neph fail. Which, although a combination of all three, is also a distinct flavor all of its own. This is eBilly99. I do the thinking so you don't have to, and Neph, really, it's a good thing.